Fibonacci is mainly used to find the supports and resistance in the long run. Fibonacci retracement. So Fibonacci retracement, what is the main theme behind this Fibonacci retracement is, so Fibonacci is the greatest scientist, mathematician, is the greatest mathematician and a scientist. Fibonacci series is used in across space science. I mean, many scientific theories, they use this Fibonacci series, and even in stock market we use this one. Even in biology they use this Fibonacci retracement. You know, if you take one flower and remove the number of petals and count the number of petals in the flower, it will be a Fibonacci number itself. So what is this Fibonacci number? Let's see. 0, 1, 2. Just add this previous two numbers. What is the answer you are getting? 3. Just add these two numbers. What is the answer you are getting? 5. Just keep on adding the numbers, previous two numbers. So 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, so on. This is called as Fibonacci series. So 0, 1, 2 is a whole number. So just we are adding previous two numbers to this whole number. We are getting a series that is called as Fibonacci series. What's the greatness of this Fibonacci series is, you take a flower, remove the petals and count the number of petals, it will be a Fibonacci number or Fibonacci. Some people call it Fibonacci. So anything, Fibonacci number. You take up pineapple and just count the number of cones in the pineapple, it will be a Fibonacci number. So that much great is this technique. So this is just like very powerful technique in long term support and resistance. If you want to find out in stock market, Fibonacci retracements is the main thing you need to understand. So now using this Fibonacci series, we'll derive some golden ratios. The golden ratios are 0.23, 0.38, 0.5, 0.61, 0.78 and so on. See, these are all the golden ratios, which is very powerful to find the supports and resistance. This 0.61 is a very, very powerful golden ratio. 0.61. So 0.61 is a very powerful golden ratio. 0.61 golden ratio is a very powerful golden ratio we can call. So 0.23, 0.38, 0.5, 0.61, 0.786. How did we get these golden ratios? I'll take one number in the series. You take any number in the series and divide it by next number. So you'll get one answer. You take the same number in the series and divide it by second digit number. You'll get one answer. You take the same number and divide it by third digit number. You'll get one answer. So what is the answer you are getting here? 13 divided by 21, if you do, almost you are getting point. So these are all the golden ratios you are getting. So like this, if you keep some mathematics, if you do some mathematics, will totally arrive at this golden ratios. So this is very important. How you got this golden ratios, no one will ask. But how to use this golden ratios in stock market, it's a most important thing. How to use this golden ratios in stock market is very important. How did you get this one? We are not engineering students and we are not mathematicians. We are not Fibonacci here to derive all these formulas. Just take the final values. These are the final values we have. So take the final values. How to use this golden ratio? Let us see. So now, how to use this is a big question. So in Fibonacci, we have two types. One is method 1. Method 1 is used to find supports in the falling market. The falling market, see, method 1 should be applied only in falling market. It is used to find supports mainly in the falling market only. We have to apply method 1. So let's say market is here and it goes high. Let's say this is 100 rupees. From 100 rupees, it got rallied up to 200 rupees. Let's say market rallied from 100 to 200. And at 200, some of your friends or a best friend will call you and you will say it will go to 400, buy karo. And you bought it also. See, once you purchase the stock, you know what will happen in stock market? Definitely fall on. See, whatever we expect now, opposite only happens. You expected the stock to go up, now the stock is falling down. If the stock is falling down, what will you ask? Sir, up to what level this will fall, right? The answer is given by Fibonacci. So it will fall up to 0.23 golden ratio. What is the meaning of 0.23? 23 percentage of 100. See, what is the 23 percentage of 100 to 200? What is uptrend here? 100 rupees uptrend, no? 100 rupees uptrend mein 0.23 means 23 percentage fall. That means it can fall to 177 rupees and it can retrace. So if it doesn't take support at 0.23%, then it can easily slide up to 0.38 and it can take support. If it doesn't take support there, then it can fall up to 0.5. If it doesn't take support there, then it can fall to 0.61. So at 0.61, we have a very, very, very high chances it will take a U-turn and start rising like this. 0.61 is a very, very, very ultimate golden ratio. By chance, 0.61 is also not respected. Then final hope is 0.786. If it doesn't respect 0.78, then final destination is lifetime breakdown. So it can crash in a big way. Right. So ultimate golden ratio is 0.61. If by chance the 61 is also not, it didn't take support at 0.61, 0.78 is ultimate hope. If it is not applicable, if it is not taking support here also, then big crash will come. So now, see how to remember, we have started our uptrend here only. This is a starting point of an uptrend. This is the ending point of an uptrend. So you need to keep one cursor here. You need to keep one cursor here. That's all. Let us see how to apply this one. So keep this in mind. You have to apply this method 1 only during falling markets, so not in uptrending market. Falling market means market is falling. Only in that situations you need to apply this. So let's see how to apply. So I'll go to in.investing.com. So I'll just take Eicher Motors. This is Eicher Motors. I'll take a monthly candle. So this is a monthly candle of Eicher Motors. So if you take a monthly candle of Eicher Motors, entire life history is in front of you. Eicher Motors ka life history. So now how to apply Fibonacci? Let us see. So let us assume that we are in this downtrend. We are in downtrend. Market is in downtrend. So now let me apply Fibonacci. Just click here. Can you see Fib retracement? Click on this Fib retracement and keep one cursor here, which is the starting point of a journey. Which is the starting point of a journey? So whichever you feel like that is a starting of an uptrend, you keep one cursor there, and whichever you feel is an ending point, so that is an ending point. Just keep one cursor here. You can drag it like this also, or you can keep it like this also. So ultimately what you should understand is the red line or the zero line The 0 should touch the peakest tip of a mountain. The 1 should touch the base of a mountain. These are very, very important. The 1 should touch the base of this mountain. 1, 0 should touch, that is red line, should touch the peakest tip. Now, what we need to do, we need to click on this line, any line, so whichever you have, almost like 7-8 lines now, you click on any line. Once you click on this line, you'll get the settings. Click on this settings and just click on this extend lines. Where we need to click? Just note it down. We need to click on extend lines in the settings. So if you click so, see, carefully observe, there is no color here, there is no rainbow. So you are just extending the rainbow to the right hand side, that's all. So either you can extend the rainbow or you can manually do it also. Manually you will do mistakes. That's the reason I'm using the extended lines. So I'll just delete everything and show from beginning. I'll go to this monthly candle and I'll take this fib retracements. Keep this as a starting. See, whichever you feel is a starting. If you feel this one, you take it. If you feel this one, you take it. But ultimately, where did the uptrend start? Here only, like somewhere here. The actual uptrend started there itself. Keep one cursor there and keep one cursor here. That's all. The cursor is not an issue. You can keep the cursor wherever you want. But the 1 line should touch the base of a mountain. The 0 line should touch the peakest tip of a mountain. That is the logic. So now this is applied. Now carefully observe. See the power of Fibonacci golden ratio now. So market started falling down. It almost touched the first golden ratio. Not touched. It almost came near the first golden ratio. Bounced. It bounced and went up. Again reversal came. Reversal happened. It broke 0.23 golden ratio. It broke that one. Went down, went down, went down, and almost touched 0.38 golden ratio. It touched 0.38 golden ratio and bounced. So why it bounced? You already know the reason, because this will act like a support for us. It almost came near this golden ratio, bounced. It touched 38, bounced. And again it broke this 38, it came down, and again it tried to cross this boundary. Again it tried to cross 0.38, could not be successful. It came down, bounced. Here again U-turn happened. See here it didn't cross this line now. See the power of golden ratio. Every golden ratio will act like a support and resistance. It came down, again it went up, this line will act like a resistance. Again it came down, this line will act like a support. It took support near 0.5 golden ratio and bounced. It went up to the 0.23238 in between. Again reversal happened. It reversed, and it took support near 0.61 golden ratio, which is a very, very, very powerful golden ratio. It took support there and bounced like a rocket. See the power of 0.61 golden ratio. So let me check couple of stocks, then only we'll understand. I take Bajaj Finance. See, Bajaj Finance has already gone up like a rocket speed. It is going. So there is no end for this stock. I think this will hit 10,000 also. We never know. Target is going like a rocket only. So now let us assume we are in March month, COVID month. So market is falling. So if market is falling, definitely you need to ask, sir, where is the support? So the support is given by Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is giving a clear-cut answer for you. Can you see the power of golden ratio? It came down, and took support near at 0.61 and bounced like a rocket. So now it is rising. We should apply method 2, which we'll discuss later. See, when market is rising, apply method 2. When market is falling, apply method 1, which we are discussing now. See here, we are in the month of March month. Don't see this candles and all, just ignore. We are in March month. we have only this big fall. We are in March month 2020. 1 year back, 1 year back there was nothing like this. So market is falling, and you are asking where is the support? The support is near 0.61 golden ratio. Exactly, it took support near at 0.61 and bounced like a rocket. See, what I am trying to tell you is, in the long run, if the market is falling or if the stock is falling in a big way, just use the Fibonacci retracements to identify the support.
So we can place our stop losses there, isn't it? That those Fibonacci points.
Yes. See, at 0.61 it will take support.
Yeah.
By chance, it will. If it doesn't take support there, then it is going to crash in a big way.
Okay. So the moment it crosses 0.23, in case we want to book profits or something, probably we can place it at 0.223, or if we just think of
Yes.
taking a bit further chance, probably 0.38. So that way
0.23, if it breaks, it can fall in a big way.
Big way. Okay. So maybe
if 0.23 is broken, next railway station is 0.38. If that is broken, 0.5. 0.5 is broken, ultimate hope or a big support we have at 0.61.
Yeah. Okay. So profit booking, if you want to make, then probably we can use that point.
Yes. And when to enter? When to enter is when the market is at 0.61 or 0.1 of the golden ratios, you can enter.
Okay.
Let's say I'll use this one for Maruti Suzuki India. So Maruti is still struggling there itself, but let me do the few retracements. So this is the actual uptrend. It started, and again it moved down, again it went up, again moved down, again it went up, again it is coming down. So I have taken this one as a starting point, this one as an ending point. If you see, Maruti took support near 0.38 once, bounced, again it came to the 0.5 golden ratio, again it bounced, touched to 2.3, again it fell down, again it bounced, and now it is struggling near 0.23. So recently also it has fallen down, again it went up, and again the reversal candle has come, that too in a monthly candle. Let's see what will happen. Let's see. The next month is very important month, September month for Maruti. See, everywhere you are able to see 0.61 is acting like a very major support. 0.61, very important support zone.
Sir, is there any reason why that happens? It's a bit strange, but
yeah, see, this is used in space science. This is used in everywhere. 0.61. 0.61 is a very important support. Even if we are falling from mountain to bottom, I think at 0.61 some support will be there itself.
Okay.
Even in space science they are using.
Okay.
Even in everywhere, Fibonacci is used.
Okay.
So Fibonacci is that much great. Okay. So we don't know what's the logic behind this one, but 0.61 is a very powerful golden ratio.
Yeah. And I think even for trailing stop losses also, I think as it moves up, we can just keep placing the stop loss at that golden point. So,
yes.
So that's another way.
See, while rising, we have a separate technique called method 1, which method 2 we'll discuss later. Okay. Only for falling markets, we have to apply this method 1. So to find the supports.
So this should be done in only monthly candle, sir.
Monthly candle, or even we'll take it a daily candle also. We'll try. So we'll try daily candle also. So this is a daily candle. This is a Maruti is trying to take support near 0.786 golden ratio. Now, for Maruti, this will be resistance. If this is crossed, it will go to this one and it will keep on going up. So I have taken a daily candle. We can apply there also. Now let me apply here also. So now this was one rally. This is falling down. Where did it took support? Let me check. It took support near, almost near 0.5 golden ratio. Almost it went to 0.61 also, but 0.5 acted like a very strong support and started bouncing. Wherever you see some peak, no, just apply this and see the result. So let's say you want to apply from here. So this is a daily candle, applied and saw it took support near 0.61 golden ratio. 0.61 is very important now. Next, again it started an uptrend. It went up to this one. Again started falling down. It took support luckily at 0.32 golden ratio and went up. See the power of golden ratios. See, wherever you see some peak and started falling down, apply Fibonacci. Wherever you see some base and top, blindly apply Fibonacci. It will just give us some hint of supports and resistances. So it is a very strong falling stock. You tell me we'll apply that one. We'll apply that for that stock. Let's say which is a stock which is falling heavily, Tata Motors. Let's see. So Tata Motors, I'll take Fib retracement. This is a starting point. This is a ending point. So Tata Motors is trading near first Fibonacci golden ratio. If that also got broken, but luckily it reversed. Luckily it got reversed. Slowly it is going up. By chance Tata Motors again breaks this golden ratio, no? So this time I think it will easily slide up to this golden ratio. If someone asks you which is the next support for Tata Motors, if 289 is broken, it can slide up to 246 rupees. This is how the TV analyst will tell you the supports. If the Tata Motors trades below 289, it looks bearishness. It looks bearish. It can slide up to 246, which is the next support zone. Next support zone is 0.382. See the power of golden ratios. See, majorly you have to apply this technique for monthly or daily or weekly, not less than this. Some people will apply for 1 hour candle or 4 hour candles, but it may not work out much. 1 hour or 4 hour candles will not work. At least use daily candle. It's a little tough topic to discuss, but still it's okay. So
interesting.
very interesting. So now method 2 Fibonacci. So in method 2, this is mainly used to find resistances. Mainly method 2 is used to find resistances, mainly used in uptrending market. Uptrending market. Like this. Now we are doing uptrend only, no? So use this one during uptrending market. How to apply this one is, so let's say stock which was trading at 200 rupees, it fell down to 100, and you have purchased some shares at 100 rupees. Now again it started recovering or bouncing upside. Again it started moving upside. If this starts moving upside, again you have a problem. Sir, where is the resistances? Resistances are shown like this. 0.5, 0.61, 0.78. Every golden ratio will act like a resistance. So now let us see the power of this one. So this should be applied in uptrending market. You have to keep this one as a starting point of a journey. Which journey? Downtrend. And this should be an ending point. Keep one cursor here, and just drag the cursor to the right hand side. So I'll take Nifty itself for this one, which is doing a big uptrend, Nifty. So Nifty is doing a very good uptrend, but it was a peakest tip of a mountain during COVID crash. So it was a peakest tip of a mountain before COVID crash. So this was a peakest tip of a mountain before COVID crash, which was a date 20th January 2020, right? That was a peakest tip. So just take this fib retracement, keep one cursor here, and just do ulta, opposite to the method one. So just do opposite. Keep 1 on the top, 0 at the bottom. And see the power of golden ratio. So I'm using daily candle. So market was moving up in a very nice manner. It touched the golden ratio, collapse. Why it collapsed? You know, I know, because we know Fibonacci. But the person outside, what will say? Sir, solar eclipse came, lunar eclipse came, or full moon day, no moon day. That's the reason market fell. There is no moon or full moon or anything, it doesn't matter. Since there is a golden ratio, the fall will come. See the power of golden ratio. See why the crash happened? Because there is a golden ratio. Next, again it moved up. It went to the second golden ratio, touched and fell down. Can you see? It fell down like a rocket. A big gap down opening. See the power of golden ratio. And again it came down. Again it cleared in the second attempt. It's like an exam only. You go to the exam, you'll fail. Again you prepare well and clear the exam, and you'll go to the next exam, again fail in the first attempt. Second attempt cleared, and again it went to the 0.5 golden ratio. Again they throwed you up to the 0.23 golden ratio. Again you took support here somewhere, this 0.23 golden ratio, and again you start moving. You again crossed 0.5. At 0.5 golden ratio, again they are making you crash. Again you went down up to 0.32. So this gives a, can you see? Went up, came down. Went up, came down. Again it went up, again little chota correction. Not a deep correction, again little correction happened. Again it touched 0.61 golden ratio, again it fell. So why it fell down? You already know the reason. Golden ratio, hey, that's the main reason. Again it started moving up above 0.61. It fell down, took support near at 0.61, went to 0.786, almost touched 0.78, fell down. Why it fell down? You already know the reason. Because golden ratio, that line, again cleared, fell down, again cleared. So multiple times it is struggling near 0.786. Finally it broke down. In the fourth attempt, it cleared 0.786 in a very clear-cut, strong manner. The very strong gap up, very nice candle. The candle is not so big, but there is a good gap up. It cleared the 0.786, and it went up again. Little consolidation. Sideways is also called as consolidation. It consolidated and moved up. Finally, lifetime breakout happened. What is the meaning of lifetime breakout? Breaking all the mountain peaks of the life, and it is seeing the new number in its life. See, Nifty saw the new number in its life in the month of November, golden months. So for Indian stock market, a big move happened in November, and it started moving up. See, after the breakout also we have some golden ratios. This is very important. After the breakout also we have some golden ratios. We need to take this golden ratio. How did I take golden ratios? I just went here. I clicked on the line. So whichever line you want, you click. Just click on this line. Like this, it will open. Settings. Take all these things. Now let us see the power of golden ratios again. So market was going up. So let's once again let me put it back. So this should be the 0 line. This should be the 1 line. Yes, touching. Yes, correct. See the power of golden ratio. It touched this 13,700 zone. It fell down like a rocket speed. So what we will think? My bad luck, sir. I invested my money. Something happened, sir. I don't know. It fell like a rocket. I lost big money. So why you lost big money? Because there was a golden ratio. This is a very simple logic. Again, it went and hit the golden ratio, which is this golden ratio. Again, it crashed like a rocket. Again, it went and touched this golden ratio, and again, it crashed and it finally took support somewhere here and again bounced. After bouncing, consolidation, very strong consolidation. Can you see sideways, 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 sideways for 2 months? And if the sideways happens so much, definitely rocket speed up move only will happen. The rocket speed up move already happened, and our target also got hit. Almost our target got hit. Now we are touching this golden ratio, and definitely the next week we may see crash also. We may see crash in the market. We never know, because if this golden ratio is hit, definitely we may fall at least up this level. We may see some crash, and again we may go up like rocket. But everyone is telling 18,000 now. Yes, everyone is cheering up 18,000. Buy. Market will go to 18,000. But I am little contradiction to everyone's opinions. I am bearish on the market because I believe this Fibonacci so much. Fibonacci is like a god. You can put a photo frame and you can put a flowers also. That much powerful scientist, mathematician, greatest person we can call. So Fibonacci is the most important if we are analyzing supports and resistance. Whatever that lines we are drawing now, that is different, but this is entirely different. I'm bearish for next week. How many of you are bullish? Maybe everyone in the world will be bullish only because market is going up like this crazily. Definitely everyone will be bullish only.
No, I was already feeling bearish for next week, sir, because whenever we have this kind of a sharp uptrend, the correction is bound to happen.
Sharp downtrend also will come.
Yeah, so
keep the weapon ready. Which weapon you should keep it next week? What do you think you can
put
take up? Naked.
Put options.
Naked you will do. Naked put options. So don't do naked. You directly go with bearish futures strategy. That would be the better solution. So this is the power of Fibonacci. Can you see?
Yeah.
Use bearish future strategy. The investment would be around 40,000. 35 to 40,000 is the investment. Short it in futures and buy ITM call option. That would be the fair idea, better idea, definitely. So I think maybe Monday or by Tuesday, market may start reversing its pattern. A sharp, rapid downtrend may also occur. We never know. Or it may travel, say, worst case, what it can do? It may travel little bit higher
and consolidate.
And again it will touch this one. And again it will bounce like this. Again it will break like this. Also can happen. This much big downfall may not occur for us. It may fall up to this somewhere here in this zone, and again it may reverse. This much downtrend we may expect, but We never know what does market do. But definitely next week though, we are expecting a bearish or some reversal we are expecting. Let's hope for a best. So the market did a biggest movement this month. It is all about Fibonacci.
Nifty is getting a lot of volatility these days, sir.
I mean, unidirectional up move, not even volatility, single directional up move. I mean, day before yesterday there was some volatility, but apart from that, every day is clear cuts, single shot up move it is doing. And as per 180-degree rule, also if you would see, here only you got buy signal, moved up, moved up, moved up, moved up. So see the power of 180-degree rule. It's an ultimate technique. I told you, it's a greatest technique in the world. Which technique? 180-degree rule. So can we do that one? So when did you get a buy signal? Somewhere here, no? But you entered on the next day. Why it fell down? You know, I know. We know Fibonacci. We already know. Again, it went up to the almost it touched second golden. Not touched. It came little high and again little crash before you are entering the final examination. Preparatory only you failed. Again you cleared this final exam. Went up, again touched, went up and touched this 0.5. Multiple times you did a struggle there. Multiple times it took support somewhere here, Eicher Motors. Finally breakout happened. Went up to the golden ratio, which is the next golden ratio, 0.61. It touched 0.61 and again it kicked back. So again it started moving up. Touched 7.8, fell down. Again touched, again fell down. Again it took support at 0.61, bounced. Again it took support at 0.5, again it bounced. So now also I am telling, multiple times this has tested this zone. Which zone? 0.61 zone. So anytime Eicher Motors, so as per 180-degree rule, you got a buy signal 3 days before only. So only use this 180-degree rule. It's more than sufficient for a trader. It's more than sufficient. Goes up. The next breakout zone is 33,034 is a breakout point for Eicher Motors. If that is broken, then Eicher Motors can hit lifetime high. So they have launched new Royal Enfield, classic 350. They launched some modifications. They have done little minor modifications, but definitely that will be a game-changing vehicle for them. The sales will pick up, I feel, by this Diwali. People will start buying some vehicles if there is no COVID wave 3. I don't think wave 3 will come, because in the history of any disease, you take only wave 1 and wave 2 will be very dangerous. We have crossed wave 1 also, wave 2 also. Wave 3, I don't think it will come or it will affect much. I don't think any lockdown on those things.
And people are also getting their first doses. I think most of them have got it.
Yeah, first dose is almost over for everyone.
Yeah, about
second dose also, most of them got it. Yeah. That is the biggest positive thing. I don't think even KGF movie may come also. We never know. So, see, everything is business, no? Ultimately. If business goes well, definitely entire thing. So Eicher Motors business goes well, definitely the stock prices will see the impact. So some positivity is going on. See, very simple. They launched the bike on September 1st. On 31st itself, it moved up. September 1st, they launched the classic 350 new version. Now you can see the breakout happened. So, and it may touch this golden ratio also. So we just did Fibonacci, method 2 for market which is already fallen down and rising. Now we have to apply method 2. For a falling market, apply method 1.